Hello everyone, we are from Group 7. We will presentate about the relationship between characters on Trivial's Play by Susan Gaspel. The members of this group are me, Desi Anggreni Iksan, Dwi Cynthia, Rita Aprilia Cantika, Sayyidatul Sofia, and Winda Larasati. First, the relationship between characters. The characters in the play are Henry Peters, Mrs. Peters, Louis Hale, Mrs. Hale, George Henderson, and the couple involved in the murder but don't play are Mrs. Wright and Mrs. Minnie. Henry Peter and Mrs. Peter is spouse or can be called married couple. Henry Peters is local sheriff, meanwhile Mrs. Peter is proactive neighbor, and Mrs. Wright's defender. Lewis Hale and Mrs. Hale is spouses too, or married couple. Louis Hale is former neighbor who discovers the murder. Mrs. Hale is caring person, astute neighbor of Mrs. Wright's defender. Mrs. Hale and Mrs. Peters are friends. George Henderson is young country attorney who investigates the murder. George is the attorney, or we can call lawyer in this era, of Mrs. Hale and Mrs. Peters, who have friendship. And next will presented by my friend.
Second, the alliances and conflicts the characters have with the other characters. In the first character is Lewis Hale. He is a neighbor of the Wrights and husband to Mrs. Hale. He is underestimates women that he believes only care about important things. So, and the second character is Mrs. Hale. She is a neighbor of the Wrights and wife of Lewis Hale. She sympathized with Minnie Wright from the beginning. She remembers when Minnie was younger, she wore pretty clothes, sang in the choir, and was lively. And the third character is Henry Peters. He is a local sheriff and husband of Mrs. Peters. He believes that everything about women is not helping them to solve the case. He also argued that nothing important if is related to women because he said nothing here but kitchen things, replied George Henderson. So in next slide will be with my friend.
Okay, George Henderson is the country attorney. He has been called to investigate the murder of John Wright and will probably serve as the attorney for the prosecution. He also argued that nothing important if is related to women because he said you convinced that there was nothing important or nothing that would point to any motive to Mr. Peters. And Mrs. Peters, she is wife of the sheriff, Henry Peters. She remembers Minnie Wright when she was younger and never visited because Minnie's husband was so unpleasant. She initially not sympathetic to Minnie Wright, but after the revealing of the dead bird, she remembered the feelings when her first child died at the age of 2. She also realized then that she too probably could have killed over grief, but her loyalty to her husband and to the law makes her say the law has got to punish crime. Next slide will continue by my friends.
So the third is the attitudes the characters have toward other characters and their attitudes towards them. The first is Mrs. Hale. Mrs. Hale takes a firm position against male criticism. So when Henderson and other men laughed at the women's debate about the kilt, she seemed unhappy and sensitive. Toward Mrs. Wright, she felt awful and sorry because it was so long since she visited her. Mrs. Hill also defended Mrs. Wright and showed her big trust. In some conversation, Mrs. Hill suspected that Mrs. Peters thought that Mrs. Wright was her husband's killer. The second is Henry Peters. Henry Peters cared about the other character shown by the only thing he would done was to have someone start the fire for them so the house wouldn't be so cold when they arrived. Sheriff Peters asked if the county attorney wants to inspect the things the women are taking to Mrs. Wright in jail. This shows that he was careful toward everyone, including his wife, since his wife also involved in gathering Mrs. White's stuff. The next will be explained by my friend.
Next is Mrs. Peters. She is a woman who doesn't have much courage to criticize men because she is afraid to break the rules. She always obeys the rule as her duty because she is sheriff's wife. At the end, she became a brave woman to break the rule to help Mrs. Minnie. She felt pity for her because she felt what it was like when someone killed Pat and what it was like to be childless. Next is George Henderson. In the play, George Henderson as the county attorney describes as a person that is always thinking logically. He starts the investigation from the crime scene. He argues that from crime scene he can find the evidences, but he careless for not checking evidence of a dead bird in the box because he just focused on crime scene. Lewis Hale. Mr. Hale underestimates women that he believes only care about important things. His characterization is like the county attorney and the sheriff's characterization in the play. Mr. Hale was honest about what he had seen and told the story to other characters. That's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention.